Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check iPhone storage size. So if you want to check your iPhone storage capacity, whether your iPhone is 64 gig RAM, 128 gig, 256 or 512 or even 1 terabyte, and you want to check the storage capacity, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to check your iPhone storage size or capacity, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, locate and click on general. Once you selected general, you can select about phone, that's the first way. Then once you selected about phone, all you need to do is come to the section where you see capacity and availability. So this is the iPhone storage capacity, which is 256, and then I still have 192 left. So my iPhone storage size is 256 gigabyte. Another way you can use to check this is, while on the main general settings page, locate and click on iPhone storage. Now under iPhone storage, you should see your total storage capacity or size here. As you can see, I have 62.77 gigabyte of 256 gigabyte used. That shows my iPhone storage capacity is 256. If your iPhone storage capacity is 128, you should see 128. If it is 64, you should see 64. And if it is 512, you should see 512 or 1 terabyte. So that's exactly how to check iPhone storage capacity or size. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.